So a very good morning to our listeners. Hope you all had a great weekend. A quick look around the market then, and we started off with general optimism across the various asset classes. This came after the pro-bailout New Democracy Party in Greece obtained 129 votes or seats in Parliament. The fact that they came first does mean they also get the additional bonus of 50 seats, which puts them well in the majority as they'll now look to form a coalition government as they meet with the President of Greece later on today. The fact that Syriza did come second has very much seen a relief rally in the markets, and overnight we did see the euro trade firmly stronger across the board. However, as the sessions progressed, we've seen a bit of a pullback in those moves. The euro-dollar pair now back to broadly flat, having been up 75 pips in early trade. Some of the thinking here is the fact that we still are yet to form the actual coalition itself. We've been with a caretaker government in Greece now for around 2 months. And then secondly, any renegotiation that this newly formed coalition might make to their European paymasters could well prolong the process here of the Greek bailouts, given the fact that we've already heard from Germany, as well as from their officials last week, a reiteration of the point that they see very little room for manoeuvre in their conditions of their bailout terms. Elsewhere, focus still very much on Spain. This morning we saw the 10-year yield there breach 7% to the upside, something which we tested last week. A clear break though was briefly seen, and that did spur some risk-off trades across the board. That saw a blowout in the 10-year government bond yield spreads across Europe, and the Italian yield also rising in tandem with the move in Spain. One thing to bear in mind there, we do have 12 and 18-month T-bill sales to come from the Spanish Treasury tomorrow, and then we'll have 3 lines tapped in bonos later on Thursday. With the Canada low particularly light for the US session today, things very much going to be kept with a euro focus. So as the US participants start to come in the market, be keeping a very close eye on that Spanish yield still and also the euro's direction. That concludes today's opening wrap from me, so I wish you all a great trading day.